Nhớ rằng lúc nào bé yêu cử cho number, bé yêu cử cho lấy nè. Today we are learning numbers. So here we go. E, O, bé, blau, chi, đào, xa, yi, chua, gao. Now I'm going to read in English. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now I'm going to read Hmong first and then English. 1. Yeah. No, I'm sorry. E is 1. O is 2. Bé is 3. Blau is 4. Chi is 5. Dao is 6. Xia is 7. 8 is yi. Yi is 8. Yua is 9. Gao is 10. Okay, so I'm going to read the Hmong version for the last time again in numbers. E, O, bé, blau, chi, đào, xa, yi, chua, gao. For example, if you say, I am 1 year old, that means you can say like this in Hmong version. Gu mua yi xiong. I am 1 year old. Gu mua yi xiong. And then you can say, I have 2 brothers. Gu mua o tu cử ti. Gu mua o tu cử ti. I have 3 eggs. Gu mua bê lu kè. I have 4 candies. Gu mua plau lu khó nồng. I have 5 eraser. Gu mua chi lu gu lư. You have 6 stars. Có mua trâu lu nu cu. He has 7 diamonds. Nư mua xa lu key. The store has 8 stars on the wall. Lu ta la mua gì lu nu nhân tử phan cha. He has 9 eggs. Nư mua chua lu kè. There are 10 A's on the wall. Cậu tu A nhớ trâu tì phan cha. I hope you can learn your numbers in Hmong language today and learn more. Share this with your friends so all of you can speak Hmong better and read numbers in Hmong better. Thank you and good luck. Thank you. Watcha. Xin chí đùa. See you later. Bye.